Okay, we got the microphones. Today's vlog.
Oh, that's funny. Microphone, Micro Center.
We're going to Micro Center. That's what we're doing. So, and we're gonna get kidnapped by Santa in a.
They have free candy.
Silver van.
They got windows. Never mind. They don't got candy.
Everything's blocked up. They did not park that well. They did really. They're getting out. They did really badly though.
They parked it. Nonetheless.
But yeah, let's do it. You did?
I have one. Yeah.
You have one. Which one?
I kept the biggest one.
Oh, okay. So you're good on monitors then.
Yeah, unless I go back to a dual.
Do you want two?
I gotta figure out what size mine is to make it even. So that'll be next.
Well, I've got it. I've got an extra one too. It's
probably my old one.
No, it's not.
It's a curved?
Yeah. You could go with this. $900.
That's the price of the build I'm doing. What do you mean? Actually, I don't even know the price of it. You're gonna decide that.
It's probably just a really bad angle, but it's fine.
It's just a super thin.
I don't really want to hold it up. That'd be weird.
Sure about your gimbal.
My what?
Your gimbal.
No. Why would I bring my gimbal? Okay,
Gimbal.
Let's start here. Surge suppressors. I actually do need one of those.
I need one.
Well, these are just surge protectors.
Oh, perfect, right here.
Oh yeah, these things.
Backups?
Yeah, because see what happens, I need one of these at some point, very soon. Because it charges up and then it gives out power, obviously. But then whenever the power goes out, it has a bank. So it gives you time to turn everything off and then start it back up again. And then it also, if the power cuts off and comes back on,
this one, APC.
It'll keep it from just going out.
It's got a whole display and everything.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
And which one is that? It's the...
Oh, God.
Yeah, they're heavy. But yeah.
This does not have a display.
No. Why would it have a display?
You can turn off the audio if that helps. Literally, look.
Oh, yep, there is a mute button. That's weird. But yeah. So those are
How much is it?
They're like 150, 160. Yeah.
Don't film the way. Oh no, it's 180 actually. That one is.
What was that?
That's like how I take blood pressure, you know? You're just.
Okay. We're squatting in the Micro Center. You very much could.
It cost the dude 10 grand, whoever with.
Oh, what's this? Oh, Atari.
Oh, perfect. Power supplies.
Atari or anything? Okay. You got your calculator?
All right, let's make it actually pretty beefy.
Okay. So for power supply, we're looking for a gold.
Let's around 1,500 to 2 grand.
15 to 2. Okay. For power supply, you're looking for something. Let's go with Corsair.
It needs to be beefier.
You want a gold rated. Is what you're looking for. See, 80 plus gold. That's what you're looking for.
You have an EVGA though. You have an EVGA.
Probably, yeah.
Super Sona.
I think 850 would be good. So you could actually go NZXT or this Combat one, 750. This one's 80, 750. That one's 80 as well, 850. So that would be 140 or 120. I think the 750 would be good. There.
I'm up to 8.25% all of this for state tax. Oh, we're about to see how much that. All right, so 120.
Just round it up and then.
You think that'll be enough, or you think I should get a step up just to be sure?
No.
So remember, you said yours are going to be good with the 750, and you need a grand.
Yeah, but I plugged in a microphone. I've got Swit. I've got
what if I decide to do all that? I want to plan ahead instead of procrastinate.
You just get a different one at that time. Or there's 830. This one's 850. Well, I don't know how good that brand is. I've never tried it.
Yeah. Well, I thought you said stick to Corsair, and then you pointed at
the fun part.
Oh, we're going expensive. That's for sure.
Okay, so
I want
the 4060 Ti. That's around about what I have. There is the 4070 Super for 600, and then this one's 430. There is the 4060 here for 329. That would be good.
What's the difference between the Ti and the regular?
This one's more powerful. However, if you look at it, you can't see the gigabytes on this one. So if you look at it, this one's got 8 gigs, and then it's a 2 fan. This one's gonna be a 3 fan. Yes, sir. This one's gonna be a 3 fan.
It's an 8 gig.
Okay, so yeah, but it's gonna be
OC8G. Arrow
yeah, I see.
OC8G.
So yeah, I would say go, because this is gonna be a 3 fan. This one's gonna be a 2 fan. It's got 8 gigs. It's a TI though. I don't know. Which one do you want? Better cooling, or
Just tell me what
better
to buy.
go with this one?
Okay, so
4060,
plus 330.
330. Yeah. You could go 4070 Super and go to 600, but I feel like that's overkill for just
That's
playing games.
overkill, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't even have.
Because I have
the 4060 in my computer.
I have
when
the
I sold it.
4060 Ti, and I can run.
What did my
pretty
old
well.
one have?
2070 Super. That's what I
And it
put.
ran everything perfectly.
Yeah, that's what I put in it.
Cases.
Yeah, let's do case.
I want a good-looking case.
Okay.
I like the white build again.
You want to do another
And
white
we
build?
are doing an IO cooler.
Okay, yeah, I figured. So there's 100 or 110. There's this one over here, which is 80.
It's on
That might be a
sale.
good.
I'm probably
that
gonna
might
buy
be a
that
good one.
today. Well, the case I think I'm gonna buy today just to
got-
have it.
It's got 3 fans in the front. You can do
It has 4.
3 on top.
Or are they just huge
No,
fans?
they're huge fans. So you got 3 fans on top or in the front. You can do a fan back there.
Oh,
And
this
you
is
can
something
maybe
I-
do 2 up here. Although if you're doing an IO, you're gonna want to put the radiator right here.
Is this case
So
big
you
enough
need
to
to-
do an IO?
That's what I'm looking at, but you
And
moved it.
And it doesn't absolutely have to be white,
Because
honestly.
this one's expensive. It's pretty cool.
But it's
Okay,
pre-IO.
They put the IO. No, that's just showing you. They put the IO on top. With this one, they also put the IO on top. So you can put the IO on top, and I feel like there would be enough coverage there to do that.
Does it have enough room to do everything and cable manage?
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, it should, because you run the cables through the back.
And it's this one?
The Air 903. That's the Air 100.
This is an Air 100.
See, this is the same case but in black.
That one's the Air 100.
That's the Air 100.
Oh, that's the Air 903.
Yeah. So you'd be looking at, I don't know.
It's
You-
80 bucks.
You could just take that. Actually, save $10. You might just get this one, which is fine because that knocks down price as well. It's already like
3 fan.
8 minutes right here. Yeah, we should be able to fit a 3 fan in that case. You want to go with that? See, that's gonna have RGB, which you're spending extra for,
Yes.
and it will match the light. So yeah, that probably would be the best one.
Which-
Yeah, I'd say
what
go with
price?
that. 130. I'd say go with that, and you'll be good.
Fans.
Yeah, this is all water
Ooh,
cooling.
what's that?
That's water cooling.
Isn't the IO like inner looped water?
Yeah, it's all in one. Sorry.
Sorry.
Excuse me. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
It's all in one is what that stands for. So you have these. These will link together. These are all 120s.
Is that the highest you can get? Nope,
Well,
140.
so you got 120, 240, or 140. Those are going to be pretty small. See, they're going to be this size, about. Those are still 120s.
Well, what's the difference?
Well, 120 is the size.
But what's the difference between these and that? Oh, literally, something's
That's
different.
in a box.
This isn't a box.
I think that they're pretty much the same.
And what about between this and all of these? Because this is only 100.
Well, so this has 3 of them. This has 3 of them. Hold on, let me figure this out. There's a Lamborghini.
There's this.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
I don't think so. We're kind of
Not
just
yet.
looking at cases. And all
Quick
that.
question
It's
though.
kinda-
The one down there that's on sale for $10 off, is that just a display case?
Which one are we talking about?
The white one, Air 90.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
They're filling up completely out of stock on this.
There is also. Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
I feel like it's too big.
Different case.
Oh, okay.
'Cause that's one thing I was hoping to pick up today. Ooh, that's all
Yeah.
glass. That's all glass too.
Yeah, so there is. I mean, this one does. It'll work. Yeah,
Not for
that one
him.
would work. Yeah,
So
because you would lay them. Well, these are huge fans. So the fans that you just picked out, they won't work. These are 240s.
That one's
Pretty
the same
sure.
size fan then. 235 millimeter.
Yeah. Yeah, these are 240s. So, those are 240s.
They're all 240s over here.
Okay. I mean, this one would look nice, and it'll fit everything if you want to spend extra money.
Adding 60 bucks from 80.
90, 100, 50 bucks. Yeah, if you want to go with that.
Or 840. That's not bad.
Okay.
I want something better than what I had last time.
Well,
Which
what do
is
you want? Do you want
like
to
a
do Intel
Ryzen
or
5.
Ryzen. You had a Ryzen 5 last time?
Yeah. I
Okay,
want
so
something
Ryzen-
a little better.
Ryzen 7 9700X.
Do you have Ryzen 8 or is it all?
So there's
odd?
7, 9. So Ryzen 7 is going to be 309. You're saving 50 bucks. It's going to be a 9700X, 8 cores, 3.8 gigahertz. So that's really good. Your Ryzen 5s, they have 6 cores, 3.9 gigahertz. So you've got more cores, 2 more cores in the Ryzen 7. You could go to a Ryzen 9 9900X. This one, 12 cores. It's only $100 more expensive.
Is it better?
It's going to be better, yeah. The Ryzen
Okay.
9 is going to be better.
So 400?
400 for that, yeah. Okay. Now RAM.
I'm okay with
Oh,
going
no.
over by a little bit.
We need this. Okay, so if we're going with a Ryzen 9, there's a 790F. There's let's see. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, your Windows, which is like $100. Well, no, because it's Windows 11.
I can't just update it.
You could, but it's going to be much easier.
To just
Oh,
buy
wait,
it
here's
as a
more
loan.
RAM. Or more. So see, 2 terabytes, 180.
I'm gonna see about the 4 though. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's that cheap for 4.
Yeah, talk to him about the 4. I don't know where the Windows would be. Oh, it's probably going to be at the.
It's in the front.
It's going to be at the front. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, I think you got
Okay.
everything, and then times it by 1.825.
I thought it was plus 8.25.
No.
Hold on.
What are you doing?
I want to reveal this to you on camera to see your
I'm recording.
1.825.
Yeah.
What's your guess?
I'm gonna guess like 2200.
21.
21.
2052.
Okay. So we could go a little bit cheaper on some things.
We'll get to that point.
Yeah. Did you want to buy everything today?
No.
Okay. That's what I figured.
No, I'm breaking up between 2 checks.
Okay. So what you're gonna want to do then is take photos of everything that you just looked at, and then we're gonna also search online to see if there's better ones.
Yeah. But I
anyways,
wanted to
we'll
get
end the
at least
vlog
a
here.
couple things today.
We'll end that here. We're just gonna work on this. Bye.